This is the Lincoln Electric Magnum 100 SG spool gun. It's going to be used for welding aluminum. So, here are some various beads, and I was on 3 different settings through this whole process. Get a little pointer. If you look at this bead, it's cold to hot, cold to hot, cold to hot. And I used a different preheating throughout this. As it got hotter and hotter, I needed less and less of the propane. This is my very first time ever trying this, welding any sort of seams or anything. My previous experience with welding is on that thing. So here again, start, you know, starting and stopping, trying to find one where I went all the way across. I think that one right there, I went all the way from corner to corner, and as it heated up, I went from D to C to B, and then it had to mess with the wire speed several times. If it's too slow, it will actually do a spray, but not a good spray. It'll like spit droplets at it. You really can only do short circuit with a 110, this 140 and 110 volts. But oh, there's one seam right there that I didn't do, so I'm going to do that one, and then I'm going to put it in the vise and see if I can grind those down and make them look relatively nice. Now I switched right here I burned through, and then I put this down to the lowest setting, and I think you have more control when it's on its lowest setting with this thinner gauge stuff. I'll actually probably start using just the B and A setting on this thickness. So this project is over. I'm going to be doing more of these. I want to get very proficient with the spool gun before I upgrade to an AC/DC TIG. And look for more videos on welding in this micro workshop. I also have my day job that I also put videos up about that you'll see in the future. I have a 300 square foot addition. So anyways, to see more videos like this, like and subscribe.